of that. Okay, I got to get the ridge line. So this last truss right here, this one here, it's got to go either this way or that way. Actually, that is perfect right there. You got to be kidding me. Okay. So I have my string line hooked out there. I have to lift it up. I want it to be about a ½ inch higher than the ridge, so that it's not getting interfered with anywhere. Oops, hooked under my foot there. Okay, so for now I'm just going to roughly find this edge. Okay, so I'm a little high, but I'm spot on. So this guy is going to be betcha right here. Again, my foot. I think the corker for that is getting caught under a spike. Okay, you stay there. I still like it. I just want to lift that one end up a minute. Okay, so see how it's up about a ½ inch, 5/8. Now, none of the trusses can interfere with it because it's a little too high. It's exactly what I want. Now, so I'm still too high over here. But you can see, man, that is lining up perfect with those ridges. Let's tack a nail in this guy. Perfect. So it's a little high. It's like it's an inch on that last truss. I want to be, oh my gosh, right there. Okay, this is now, will be plumb. So this is the measure. I'll measure to this line here, this little X. I'll take a little bit off because it's an 1.5 inches thick. So my ridge will be now remember, take a ½ inch off here. This ridge is going to be, we'll do 142, 141.5. What I've done here is I've hooked my chalk line to where my ridge string line intersects with the roof. Took my 4-foot level, planed along this roof till I hit right here. So this is now going to be my valley line. And now I'll start measuring I'll put my ridge in. truss right here, isn't there? Yep. Good. It's sitting right on the truss. Just on the edge of it anyways. Okay. Now, every 2 feet, right on a truss too. Nice. Well, it's going good. Okay, so I gotta put a block in this side. Just try not to step on anything. Actually, let's make that the same height as the sheeting. Seeing as that. Now you're being a turd. Yeah, come on. Oh, we should probably nail that. And that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Last one. I don't know if you could hear me, but last one. Line that up with my eyeball. Yeah, like that. Okay, voila. That's a miss, I think. Okay, it's lunchtime.